I have just uploaded the April meal plans. So I want to show you this because remember in the meal plan membership, you get a done for you 4-week meal plan with recipes and shopping lists and all the extra stuff. So just dropping in April, and the theme this month is a protein forward meal plan. And I mean, you've heard me. I'm always trying to help my clients get enough protein every day, not too much, not too little, just about right. And I know it's challenging. So I like the theme for this month. I remember you get a meal plan. So for every week, you get if you want to follow it exactly as it's written, it gives you a plan for every day and it gives you a shopping list. And it even gives you prep instructions. So it really takes the guesswork out if you really need support for just trying to eat healthy and getting some decent food and enough protein in during the week. Remember, you get the plan and then you'll get a downloadable recipe bundle that goes with it, of course. So it's going to have your table of contents and all your breakfasts and all of your and then lunches and dinners. And I really like this one. I think this is going to be a nice one for you, like even like healthy chicken nuggets. Um, and then there's some bonus content and that goes along with the theme because these recipes aren't always, this is not a plant-based program. And one of these months I'll do a plant-based one, but I did some bonus material for a guide to plant proteins for those of you trying to incorporate more of them, which I think is a great idea. Some ideas about complete proteins and nutrient content, and then another extra one of easy low carb side dishes. When you're just trying to replace the rice and pasta all the time and trying to, help your blood sugar stay more stable. So remember, this is all in my meal planning membership. It's $19 a month. Stop and start anytime. You not only get the 4-week done for you meal plans, but you get a whole bunch of extra stuff as well. I always keep the previous month in there for you. And you can always go up and add on an appointment with me every month or two a month if you're needing some more accountability and support. So that's what I got for you this month.